Gold and silver both traded with a slight bearish price throughout this day, and now it has come till towards the next resistance levels at 1970 and 2490 levels, 95 levels. So now what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update with the Asia session definitely would have profited. So do press the bell icon. Also, you can remain updated by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we look into gold followed with silver to watch till the end. Now look at the hourly charts of gold. See, this was the rally yesterday, and since then gold is trading in this bullish flag, and still it is a bullish flag till the time it breaks below 1970, where it will turn slight bearish, and hence one can take a sell entry at 1970. However, 1967, 64 and 60 is the base case for gold. Only and only if gold trades below 1960, you can say that gold is turned bearish and it is reversed. Till 1960, we should not think it of a reversal. You can look how beautiful it has formed a flag here, and hence a breakout above 1980 levels is what should be a good buying entry for gold. Now, if you look at the stochastic has dropped, MACD divergent and bearish looking downwards. RSI is also looking downwards here, indicating slight bearishness. Coming to the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts also similar observation here. Good flag till 1970. 1970 is a good support here. This is the 2-hour moving average, exponential moving average. Prices were divergent from here. It has converged till towards these levels. Possibly, even if it tries to reverse, 1980 is going to be a tough resistance for it to crack. Hence, a buying entry above 80 and a selling entry above below 70. Stochastic has dropped. MACD crossing over for a sell entry here. It has started with a divergence. Possibly it can continue a little. See, first wave is done. Possibly it can continue with the second wave here. RSI looking down. And on the 3-hour charts also, see on the 3-hour charts, moving averages are almost now stagnant here, and you can see the prices are diverging from the moving average. Possible conversion till towards these levels can happen. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is willing to converge crossover for a sell here. RSI is looking downwards, and on a 4-hour charts, similar observation. Remember, look at the previous two candles. Higher highs are seen, higher lows are seen, and this is a breakout. So this breakout candle can stretch a little bit on the downside, which means that below 1970 we can expect 1967, 64 and then 60 levels, but only bearishness is below 60 if and only if gold breaks below 1960. You can treat it as bearish, else you can possibly expect that it has got very good support till 1960 levels. Our stochastic looking down here. MACD is also bullish in green, trying to converge crossover for sell. RSI is looking down here, and coming to the daily charts. Now see on the daily charts, double top here, and see it failed to stay above 1980. It was outside Bollinger Bands, and that is why getting a pullback. The possibility for it to completely erase the gains also exists, but one has to remain watchful. It may try to completely, see, next couple of sessions it may try to either engulf or trade sideways within this candle itself, and which means 1955-85 is the zone in which it may try to trade. Stochastic slightly overbought, MACD extremely divergent and bullish. RSI is also near to top. Considering this, you can sell at 1970. However, be careful for 1967, 64, 60. You have to put a trailing stop loss here, because see, it has got very good support till 1960 levels, and we should not treat this as bearish till 1960 is respected, and hence you should trade with a trailing stop loss below 1950, 70, and be very cautious. On the upside, you can buy at 1980 levels, but then see 1985, 82.6, 85 levels. These two levels are very important for gold. Breaking below 1985, remember there is no looking back. We can expect gold to hit 2000 levels also, and hence take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver, and before we proceed, if you want to learn the art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 24th batch is going to start on first week of August. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver on the hourly charts. You can find out the rise started here, and since then silver is also trading and forming this bullish flag. Hence now if you see it trading above 25.10 levels, you can buy. However, I will still recommend you to be alert till 25.20 levels. So 25.10 you can buy, but then be alert for 25.20. Beyond that it should fly further. Now see, this candle was outside Bollinger Bands. It tried to break the bands here but failing to do so. Also it has achieved the 50 period moving average. That is why I discussed and we shared in the morning update that 25 495, 2490, 2480 are three major support levels for silver. Stochastic looking down, MACD bearish, RSI looking down. That is also a slight bearish indication. If you look at the 2-hour charts, you can see higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen, still respecting the channel. And hence now if you see it trading below 2490, you can sell, but then wait for 2480 levels. And if 2480 is breached, then you can say it is trying to turn bearish. Till 2480, do not silver as bearish here. Now see, stochastic comfortable here, MACD bearish, RSI looking down. And on the 3-hour charts, if you look at on the 3-hour charts, like see how strong formation we have seen on 2480, and none of the candles closed below 2480 here. This means 2480 is a great support, and any candle, hourly candle closing below 2480 is a slight bearish sign below which it may continue with a downward move till towards 2460, 2450 levels. Possibility exists for this. Stochastic looking down, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI slightly overbought and trying to cool down. Coming to the 4-hour chart, similar observation. Look at the complete movement. It is still engulfed between this candle, and hence it has to break below 2480 in order to confirm the drop. You can sell at 2490 itself, but be careful. Stochastic looking down, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI overbought. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily chart. See previous first bullish candle here, retracement, and then this upward move. Now see, till the time it is still respecting this channel, till the time it stays 2480 should be till the time it stays about 2480, we should not treat this as bearish. Only below 2480 we can treat this as bearish and we can expect it to drop. However, you can sell here now at 2490 and buy at 2510. In between these 20 cents, do not take a position in silver. Above 2510 levels we can expect a little more rise, but then 2520 is what you should watch out for. Beyond that, sky is the limit. Silver will hit 2550 levels. On the downside, below 2480 is where we are going to see maximum bearishness. 2460, 2450 levels can get achieved. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship by Join My Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.